I've got two different JessEm router table setups here. There's quite a few different options we have available as for lifts and for fences, but I'll just run through a couple of the differences on the setups that I've got here. The tabletop I've got here is a JessEm white solid phenolic top. So this is a bit like HPL, high pressure laminate, but rather than just being 1 or 2 millimeters thick, this is about 20 millimeters thick. This will be incredibly water resistant. I mean, you could throw this in the bottom of a pond, come back 2 years later, and nothing will have changed. Very, very strong, won't sag, very, very difficult to machine, has to be diamond cut, basically to get this to be machined to the right size. So the top here has a dual track in it, so we could put in a mitre slide, and it's got a T-track for also putting in feather boards. The fence we have on this one is the JessEm Mark III. This is a solid aluminium and a phenolic backplate. Very nice stainless steel components for moving the fences in and out. We have bars which are held in on little tiny spring ball latches. These can be slid behind the fence to bring the outfeed fence forward 0.8 or 1.6 millimeters. A better quality guard than we have on some of the other fences available. This one's a little bit more adjustable. The cutout in the tabletop is the same standard American size that we've got with all of our router tabletops, which means this cutout is going to be compatible with JessEm and INCRA and Woodpecker lifts. The lift we have in this one is a JessEm Prestige. So the JessEm Prestige is a lift that we can fix on the bottom of that, probably 10 or 15 of the most popular plunge routers available in Europe. So you can bolt onto the bottom plate. You can use your standard plunge router, but rather than getting underneath the bench to actually lift them up and down, you can have your rise and fall, lock, unlock, and then rise and fall literally from the top here, and then we can lock him off. This is available either as a drilled plate that suits most of our routers or an undrilled plate underneath, so you can actually drill that to suit any slightly unusual router you might perhaps have. Also available is the JessEm XL2, another phenolic top. We'll have a look at that one in more detail. This is the top of the range JessEm XL2. This doesn't have a router plate set in, but actually the router lift is actually mounted already or assembled into the router tabletop. Into this one goes a round-bodied router. Our AUKTools is designed to work with this. Rather than now winding from above the table, we've actually got winder on the side, up and down, and then we can lock that one off in position. This is the quickest wind up and down out of all the router tables available. For this one at the moment, we've got this matched up with a JessEm Ta Fence. Again, top of the line fence. This one has a fantastic construction of the aluminium extrusions, separate pieces machined and fitted together, so it will stay extremely strong and accurate. More adjustability on the guards. Not only can it come up and down, but also it can extend out quite a long way. So if actually your router fence was back and you were doing curved work, you can still be protected. Stainless steel high boy knobs at the end here, and also a very fine adjuster, so the outfeed fence can be adjusted to whatever position you would like it. We have a full range of tabletops, lifts and fences available at Woodworkers Workshop. Give us a ring if needed advice. We have a whole range that will suit different budgets, from beginners through to really top end bits of kit.